we're looking at a range of opportunities.
There were roughly 42 million votes for, representing 93% of the votes cast.
We've got platinum, we've got iron ore, and we have to decide what to do with these. We obviously have done a lot with them already. We've done a lot of work, we've done some prospecting, we've actually done some drilling as well. We're very conscious of our cost and our budgets to keep it as low as possible, but we've done a lot of work and we've got a fair idea of where these could go. But they're in such a range of industries that I can't tell you that I'm going to focus, or we're going to focus on gold only or anything like that. We're looking at any opportunity.
Next week is the relisting of the company.
After the distribution, only be a R500 million company. In my view, that does not justify a listing on the JSE. So obviously we're looking at growth, and if our shareholders allows us, we're going to grow this business and hopefully we'll be successful.
It's been a long haul.
Relatively to our country's GDP, it's probably the biggest fraud that we've ever seen committed on companies. But I think today we found a pragmatic solution to the problem. If you recall, back in 2005, the company was suspended at R8.90. We believe a company could have been worth a lot of money today, but I think we're in a situation now where we've crystallized about 20 Rand a share for our shareholders, which is a significant improvement on where they suspended. We believe that we've created liquidity. We're listing on the JSE next Friday, which is a very important event. We've managed to negotiate a number of advantages for our US shareholders or our ADR holders, and I think all in all, we can look at a bright future.
The management have sanitized the company.
There were layers and layers of agreements and what we believed was just plain fraudulent transactions. To this day, we haven't even been able to pierce the real depth of it. We are looking at possibilities to start trading in the US again. Shareholders are reminded of the fact that we've agreed with the SEC that we will be deregistered. The company will be deregistered due to the fact that we were delinquent up to a short while ago in publishing our accounts, etc., due to the alleged misappropriations, etc., that happened in the Kebble era. But we believe that we have now met the requirements, and we are in negotiations with the SEC to lift the ban, and there will be an over-the-counter market hopefully soon in the US. The company will, when it receives for a moment in time the settlement from JCI, will be worth approximately just over 1.4 billion Rand. That equates to close to 20 Rand a share. So that's what the company will be worth. And then we will obviously distribute the R12.90 to our shareholders. After the distribution, or immediately after the distribution, the important number that I'd like you to understand is the fact that the company will be worth about R500 million, and it equates to around the 7 Rand a share mark. By the end of June, we'll be distributing a significant amount of Goldfield shares and JCI shares to our shareholders, and we'll be left with a company that has approximately 550 million rands plus of cash, some upside in prospecting rights, and we have some legal claims that we still have to deal with and review our strategy on that point. So we've got a company that can trade again at a fairly nice price, and we hope to add a lot of value in future. We've instructed our US counsel to negotiate with the SEC to lift the ban and to create the over-the-counter market again. I cannot see any obstacle in the JCI meeting not advancing the settlement.